Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of hairstyling with the ultimate solution to all your curling needs: titanium curling irons. If you've been struggling to find the perfect curling tool that delivers flawless results without damaging your hair, you're in for a treat. We've curated a list of the top 5 titanium curling irons on the market to help you achieve those envy-worthy curls effortlessly. Stick around till the end as we break down each product's key features, benefits, and usability. Let's dive in! At number 1 position, we have Babyliss Pierrot Titanium Conicurl Iron. First up on our list is the Babyliss Pierrot Titanium Conicurl Iron, a game changer in the world of hairstyling. This innovative curling iron features a unique conical barrel design that allows you to create a variety of curl sizes, from tight ringlets to loose waves, effortlessly. Key features. Crafted with high-quality titanium barrel, this curling iron heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring long-lasting salon-quality results. Its adjustable temperature settings provide versatility for all hair types, while the ergonomic design offers maximum comfort and control during styling. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to frizzy, unruly curls. The Babyliss Pierrot Titanium Conicurl Iron delivers smooth, shiny curls that last all day. Whether you're aiming for a casual, beachy look or glamorous red carpet curls, this versatile tool has got you covered. Simply wrap sections of hair around the barrel, hold for a few seconds, and release for effortlessly beautiful curls. Usability. Designed for professionals and beginners alike, this curling iron features a user-friendly interface with intuitive controls for hassle-free styling. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it easy to maneuver, while the long swivel cord offers flexibility and freedom of movement. Durability. Built to last, the Babyliss Pierrot Titanium Conicurl Iron is crafted with premium materials and cutting-edge technology for superior durability and performance. Say hello to salon-worthy curls that stand the test of time. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Remington Pro Titanium Curling Iron. Next up, we have the Remington Pro Titanium Curling Iron, a must-have tool for achieving flawless curls with ease. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or a beginner experimenting with new looks, this curling iron is sure to impress. Key features. Featuring an advanced titanium barrel, this curling iron heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature for fast, efficient styling. Its digital temperature display allows for precise heat control, while the auto shutoff feature provides added safety and peace of mind. Benefits and usage. Achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your own home. The Remington Pro Titanium Curling Iron delivers long-lasting, frizz-free curls that turn heads wherever you go. With its wide range of temperature settings, you can customize your styling experience to suit your hair type and desired look. Usability. Designed for convenience and ease of use, this curling iron features a sleek, ergonomic design with a comfortable grip for maximum control. Its swivel cord prevents tangling and allows for effortless maneuverability, while the cool tip ensures safe handling during styling. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of daily styling, the Remington Pro Titanium Curling Iron is engineered with durability in mind. From its sturdy construction to its advanced heating technology, this curling iron is built to last, providing years of reliable performance. The number 3 position is held by Conair Titanium Curling Wand. Up next, we have the Conair Titanium Curling Wand, a game-changing tool for creating effortless beachy waves and tousled curls. Say goodbye to boring hairstyles and hello to endless styling possibilities with this innovative curling wand. Key features. Equipped with a tapered titanium barrel, this curling wand allows for seamless transition from tight curls to loose waves with ease. Its ultra-smooth surface minimizes friction and reduces frizz, while the advanced heating technology ensures fast, even heat distribution for consistent results. Benefits and usage. Get ready to unleash your inner beach babe. The Conair Titanium Curling Wand is your ticket to effortlessly tousled locks that scream summer vibes all year round. Whether you're rocking a casual day look or getting glammed up for a night out, this versatile tool delivers flawless curls that last all day. Usability. Designed for maximum versatility and ease of use, this curling wand features a sleek, lightweight design that fits comfortably in your hand for effortless styling. Its long barrel allows for easy wrapping and styling of long hair, while the swivel cord offers freedom of movement and prevents tangling. Durability. Crafted with premium materials and advanced technology, the Conair Titanium Curling Wand is built to withstand the demands of daily styling. From its durable construction to its reliable performance, this curling wand is designed to last, so you can enjoy beautiful curls for years to come. Next, at number 4, we have Hot Tools, Titanium Curling Iron. Next on our list is the Hot Tools, Titanium Curling Iron, a professional-grade styling tool that delivers salon-quality results without the hefty price tag. Whether you're a hairstyling novice or a seasoned pro, this curling iron is sure to become your new go-to. Key features. Featuring a titanium barrel with advanced heat technology, this curling iron heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature for optimal styling results. Its variable heat settings allow for customization to suit your hair type and desired look, while the cool tip ensures safe handling during styling. Benefits and usage. Get ready to turn heads with flawless, long-lasting curls. The Hot Tools. Titanium curling iron delivers smooth, shiny curls that defy gravity and stay put all day long. Whether you're aiming for tight coils or loose waves, this versatile tool makes it easy to achieve the perfect curl every time. Usability. Designed with convenience in mind, this curling iron features an ergonomic handle with a soft touch grip for maximum comfort and control. Its long swivel cord offers flexibility and freedom of movement, while the built-in safety features provide added peace of mind during styling. Durability. Built to withstand the demands of daily styling, the Hot Tools. Titanium curling iron is engineered with durability in mind. From its sturdy construction to its advanced heating technology, this curling iron is built to last, so you can enjoy salon-quality curls for years to come. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Paul Mitchell Pro Titanium Curling Iron. Last but certainly not least, we have the Paul Mitchell Pro Titanium Curling Iron, a professional-grade styling tool that delivers superior results with every use. Whether you're a hairstyling enthusiast or a professional stylist, this curling iron is sure to impress. Key features. Crafted with a premium titanium barrel, this curling iron heats up quickly and evenly for consistent, long-lasting curls. Its adjustable temperature settings allow for customizable styling to suit your hair type and desired look, while the cool tip ensures safe handling during use. Benefits and usage. Say hello to flawless, salon-worthy curls. The Paul Mitchell Pro Titanium Curling Iron delivers smooth, shiny curls that last all day, no matter your hair type or texture. Whether you're aiming for sleek ringlets or bouncy waves, this versatile tool makes it easy to achieve the perfect curl every time. Usability. Designed for maximum comfort and control, this curling iron features an ergonomic handle with a soft touch grip for easy maneuverability. Its long swivel cord offers flexibility and freedom of movement, while the lightweight design reduces hand fatigue during extended styling sessions. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, the Paul Mitchell Pro Titanium Curling Iron is crafted with premium materials and advanced technology for superior durability and performance. From its sturdy construction to its reliable heating capabilities, this curling iron is built to last, ensuring beautiful curls for years to come. And there you have it, beauty enthusiasts, our top picks for the best titanium curling irons on the market. Whether you're looking to achieve sleek, defined curls or tousled beach waves, these innovative styling tools have got you covered. Say goodbye to bad hair days and hello to flawless, salon-worthy curls that last all day. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know which titanium curling iron is your favorite, and be sure to subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. Until next time, happy styling!